Based on the confidential sources, Kalamchora police destroyed 60,000 cannabis plants from Chatiantila and Belwater area of Sonamura. But the police, BSF, CRPF and TSR Jawan has to leave Chatiantila area and came back. A report was sent to Kalamchora police that a number of cannabis was planted at Chatiantila and Belwater area under Kalamchora police station, which is why on Wednesday, Kalamchora police along with CRPF, BSF and TSR Jawan went and raided Chatiantila and Belwater area. After destroying it for 1 to 2 hours, locals tried to stop the forces from cutting down the cannabis plant. As such, police, BSF, CRPF and TSR Jawan who went to destroy the plant came back from the place in order to avoid any incident. But then later, police, BSF, CRPF and TSR Jawan went and started cutting down the cannabis plants again. Police said that on this day, approximately 60,000 cannabis plants were cut down. Apart from Chatiantila and Belwater area, cannabis are planted at other places under Kalamchora police station. Police also decided that they will go around these places and start their operation soon. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.